So this is Elizabeth. Oh, Elizabeth Taylor Windsor. Named so because she is bold and brave and sleek and elegant. And she is in full pursuit right now. And then that's her sister. And we named her Muffin Marie because she's more timid. She's a little quieter and shyer. And she's like a little muffin, right? Muffin Marie. Muffin Marie. Oh. It's hard to tell, but they're actually pretty tiny. Like there's my hand next to them. Ah! Almost glad you got it. Oh. You are something else. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. 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 You almost got it, Muffin Marie. Marie is her middle name. Like the Aristocats. Oh. They are beautiful and sweet. All right, sweethearts.